Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain why Italy is so rich. We'll explore the key pillars of its economic success, starting with its robust manufacturing base. Italy's renowned for producing high-quality goods, from fashion to machinery, which are highly sought after worldwide. This strong export market, combined with a thriving tourism industry, forms the bedrock of its prosperity. Let's dive deeper into these fascinating aspects. Italy's Made in Italy brand is synonymous with excellence, particularly in luxury fashion, automotive, and design. These high-value exports generate substantial income for the nation. Beyond the glamour, Italy excels in specialized machinery and food production, like olive oil and wine, which are cherished worldwide. The country's network of small and medium-sized businesses plays a crucial role in maintaining this diverse and high-quality output. Italy's unparalleled cultural heritage and natural beauty are massive economic assets. With ancient Roman ruins, Renaissance art, and stunning coastlines, it's a top global tourist destination. Millions flock to Italy annually, spending billions of dollars and supporting countless local businesses and jobs. This constant influx of visitors not only boosts the economy, but also helps preserve Italy's invaluable historical and artistic treasures for future generations. Despite its wealth, Italy navigates various economic challenges, including public debt and regional disparities. However, its inherent resilience, strong family businesses, and continuous innovation in design and technology help it adapt and thrive. The country's commitment to quality and craftsmanship ensures its products remain highly valued. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including that awesome car air freshener, and other helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.